gentlemen, welcome back to the most monumental channel here on YouTube. DEIVED is my name. The show, Let's Trade Live, where we talk about the stock market, take a look at the news, and we even do some technical analysis. Let me know, ladies and gentlemen, what is that golden nugget? What is that lesson that you have learned? David, look at this chart. No. After the news, and we'll get there, my friend. But I really want to know, how is it going in your personal journey? Yes, dudes and dudettes, we have been kicking booty over here, and I am sure you have been kicking booty as well. Oh my goodness, it is only Thursday, guys. We're almost done with the end of the week, and I think a lot of people are gonna get paid, so that means there's gonna be a movement here and there. But we want to know which ones can move, and we've been covering a lot of them. I don't know if you have seen our shows in the past few days, but we've been talking about, for example, Sundial, Sundial. We've been talking about Ctrm, Medica, TRXC, SENS. Oh my goodness, and even that motherfucking GameStop when it was at 6 and 7. Don't forget to go ahead and like this video. Do to the like button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. Ring the motherfucking bell so you get notified every time we are online. And dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes, we still have the Amazon gift card giveaway happening. So youtube.com/DEIVED, you will see the video for that Amazon gift card giveaway. Remember, the videos are for entertainment and learning purposes. Okay, guys, you already know this. Okay, good. And today, class, we're gonna today, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. But before I get to the Bitcoin chart, we're gonna definitely take a look at this article for all of you. Oh man, and we mentioned this one yesterday, by the way. We did mention this one yesterday. Buenos dias, Danny Corrales. Hopefully you are doing very, very good. By the way, go ahead and say hi in the chat room to all the members, subscribers, the whole community. There's a lot of great investors and entrepreneurs in this chat room. Very valuable, by the way. I think it just makes sense to say hi. And we do the videos con mucho amor, you know? So let's get started. Bitcoin comes to MasterCard and BNY Mellon. We are preparing right now for the future of crypto and payments, announcing that this year MasterCard will start supporting select cryptocurrencies directly on our network, says the company. The move makes good on new CEO Michael Miebach's recent promise to bring digital payments directly on our network. See the fourth quarter earnings call transcript here. You can definitely check out Seeking Alpha for more information, guys. More from MasterCard. Our philosophy on cryptocurrencies is straightforward. It's about choice. Boom chakalaka, man.
Boom shakalaka!
MasterCard isn't here to recommend you start using cryptocurrencies, but we are here to enable customers, merchants, and businesses to move to digital value. Wow, guys. Galaxy Digital Chief Mike Novogratz says this development is huge, but the flow of good news for Bitcoin has been so great of late that is going nearly unnoticed. I know, it is insane, guys. Also getting into the Bitcoin game is Bank of New York Mellon. Chacaron. Reporting the custodial lender plans to custody Bitcoin for clients in the same fashion as other assets. Digital assets are becoming part of the mainstream, says Roman Regelman, Chief Executive of BNY Mellon's Asset Servicing and Digital Businesses. Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen, it is up to 46,400. Recovering from its sizable losses from yesterday. But hey, let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. Oh my goodness. Bitcoin doing great. Lin Lee, muy buenos días. Good morning. Thank you for that beautiful blessing. Salud, Lin Lee. We're kicking booty, huh, Lin? Are you happy, Lin? Are you happy? Are you happy, Jonatico? Good morning. Good to see you. Hopefully you guys are doing some
Fatality.
here and there. Mira. Bitcoin's chart, guys, on the 1 hour. Basically, retesting the trend line. As you can see, technicals do provide the opportunities. And as you can see, guys, after the break of this motherfucking trend line over here, actually, it was this one, the first one, but it was too early. But as you can see, this next trend line, mira, not even this one before that, this trend line got broken, higher lows, continuation. It's not a big move, but it's there. And I was thinking, man, if Bitcoin went to 41,000, I'm gonna keep an eye on that price point. But no, MasterCard coming out with a new article about it. Dudes, this what MasterCard is doing here is what Apple needs to do. And if Apple gets into the cryptocurrency game, I will say, my friend, game over. Or getting a little bit more live. $46,479 for bitty Bitcoin. And I know some of you are actually wondering about Ethereum. So let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum real quick. So Ethereum, 1,785. Ethereum not performing bad either. It's doing very good, 2.4% already. 4-hour candles. Look even better, Meta. My friends, do you see this? This is the same rejection, not the same, but similar to the one in Bitcoin. But here you can see it more present. You can understand it way, way better. As you can see, the rejection wicks are below the candle's body and bigger than the candle. You can see over here in the past when we were going up on February up to February 8th to the 10th. You can see a lot of rejection here. But then when we had the drop, you can see here that the zone is being respected. It tried to go lower, but it couldn't. So the price is holding very, very strong and continuing with the upside. Now, but David, what about Dogecoin? Let's take a look at Dogecoin, bro. This is Dogecoin, the one that started as a joke, becoming a reality. Whoa, that's gonna be very, very interesting, boys and girls, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes. You can see here that Dogecoin still on the trend line, though. Yeah, still on the trend line, as you can see, creating matte rejection over here at 0.07. I think Dogecoin still has opportunity to go to 0.08. As weird as it may sound, yes, guys, Dogecoin may even have opportunity to rise up. And I'm not trying to imitate Hamilton, but I do like it, and I recommend it. Check it out on Disney, written by a Puerto Rican, Luis Manuel Miranda. Shout out to you, mi hermanillo. Saludos desde un puertorriqueño a otro puertorriqueño para el mundo. And ladies and gentlemen, yes, 10 cents is very likely that can happen. And I will even love to see $1. If $1 gets to be rich, like if we get there, I don't know if I'm gonna do the show anymore, man. I don't know if I'm gonna continue. But anyways, I think it's starting to look good. The crypto game, beautiful for Bitcoin, beautiful for Ethereum. We're doing this every day, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that motherfucking bell.
Monster kill.
Now let's go back into the stock market. I don't have any summary today, but I'm gonna review a few companies like Pepsi, Pinterest, Microsoft, Nokia. We're going to look at the semiconductor sector. There's an article here that I want to review with all of you, and maybe none of the mention can be the solution. But anyways, GSAT, CTRM, Zomedica, we're going to be reviewing. Ford, LUV, AstraZeneca. I got a request from Healthy Junk Food. Shout out to my friends at Healthy Junk Food. By the way, check them out. Their videos are amazing. They're mind-blowing and funny. And I love it. I love it. It takes me away. Okay, guys. Then after that, I got Sundial. I'm going to do Sundial, but it's an article that we got on the Discord, that we shared on the Discord. Shout out to Amir for providing this
Excellent.
article. And let's go ahead and get started with Pepsi. But David, Pepsi? Yes, Pepsi. One of those dividend kings, which I actually don't mind at all, man. I don't mind at all. I definitely think that it will be a good thing to review, because if you're doing options and you get some contracts sold, where the heck are you going to park the money? You know, think about that. Where am I going to park the money? Is it going to be a good company that pays dividends? And PepsiCo EPS beats by 0.01, beats on revenue. PepsiCo fourth quarter non-GAAP EPS of 1.47 beats by 0.01. GAAP EPS of 1.33 misses by 0.10. Revenue of $22.46 billion beats by $700 million. Holy mofongo. Organic growth of 5.7% versus consensus of 4.1%. CEO comment for 2021, we are planning for our organic revenue and core constant currency EPS growth to be consistent with our long-term objectives. We have also announced a 5% increases in our annualized dividend, starting with the June 2021 dividend payment. And shares are down 0.5%. But I have another article that speaks about Pepsi. I hope the sound is good. I hope we are not having issues. Ladies and gentlemen, let's review over here. PepsiCo tracks higher after organic sales impress. And that deserves a... Pepsi reports organic revenue growth rose 5.7% in the fourth quarter to top consensus mark of 4.1%. Guys, another article about the cannabis sector. I'm going to review that. Oh my goodness. Organic sales were strongest for the Quaker Foods and Europe segments. Unit volume was up 3% for food snacks and 5% for beverage during the quarter. The PepsiCo Beverages North America segment saw operating profit grew 19%, primarily reflecting net revenue growth, productivity savings, lower advertising and marketing expenses, and a 6 percentage point impact of lower commodity costs. Those impacts were partially offset by certain operating cost increases, including incremental information technology costs, a 3 percentage point impact of a prior year gain on an asset sale, and a 2 percentage point impact of the charges taken as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. Acquisitions contributed 10 percentage points to operating profit growth for the segment. Looking ahead, PepsiCo anticipates a mid-single-digit increase in organic revenue, a high single-digit increase in core constant currency EPS, and a core annual effective tax rate of approximately 21%. And shares of PepsiCo are up. Now he's saying that it's up. So let's see what Pepsi is doing. By the way, guys, interesting. Pepsi has their own cryptocurrency, which is insane. I think it's called the Pep coin. And let's see over here, guys. So Pepsi was looking a little bit bearish. It's been quite a while, but I do think that it's going to go higher for the long term, guys. I'm expecting Meta. What Citibank has as a target, 169, I think it can happen. So any retracement for Pepsi is an opportunity. The opportunity obviously was over here at $100, guys. But for now, $137.60. There is still potential for growth. Still potential for growth. The same thing, 22%. They pay dividends. The good thing is that it's not such a volatile company that is very consistent, and just parking the money there is good for those dividends. What do you think about that, Randy? Do you think that's a good idea, or do you think that is...
Oh, yeah!
Randy likes the dividends.
Oh, yeah!
Ladies and gentlemen, we can definitely move forward. But I gotta say hi to the community. I gotta say hi to the subscribers, to the members that are participating in the chat room. If you want to participate, don't forget to do it and say hi.
Roar!
I'm gonna leave Bitcoin in the background. Members or subscribers, users, new users, if you're on TV, just give me 1 minute to say hi to everybody, because I think it's very important. It is something that we do. Tal Ross, boom chakalaka indeed, my friend. Good to see you, mi hermanillo. I'm not going to do the boom chakalakas, my friend. Too many boom chakalakas in this show. Gennaro Di Carlo, good morning. We are kicking booty. I gotta say, the community is proving to be beneficial in the Discord. Grado, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this because you already know that I like to document my beautiful people talking about beautiful words. Thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate this. Gennaro Di Carlo. I really do, man. And if you wanna see your comment in my Instagram, follow me, DEIVED. I mean, I have it on the wall, guys. I think it kind of makes sense, right? Just look for me there, and we can connect. Let's see over here. Buenos días, Crypto Crackhead. ¿Cómo usted está, señorito? Hi to all. Theodoro Simas. AS, good to see you. AS, you gotta become a member. And by the way, the investors member, you only get the general chat room. But Kicking Booty and Rockstar unlock the whole kingdom. Let's see, Eduardo Murati. Wasabi, good to see you. Jesus Macaso, buenos días. Matthew Grado, good morning. Omar Valentin, buenos días. Majuar, good morning. Good to see you. How the freaking breaking deaking is it? Good to see you, my man. Philip David, what's up, Philip? I hope you're doing great, my friend. Brian says, this is my favorite show. This is the David show. It's not the Green Tom show. This is my favorite show because it is my show. Yes, SNDL, ladies and gentlemen.
Excellent.
But we are gonna get there. Just be patient with me. Now we're gonna look at Pinterest and Microsoft. There's actually some interesting conversations happening, and Microsoft approached Pinterest about a takeover in recent months. So Microsoft made an approach to Pinterest about a potential acquisition in recent months, the FT reported. The talks are not currently active, the paper said, citing a person familiar. The FT didn't specify a price for a potential transaction. Pinterest has indicated in the past that it wants to remain independent. Microsoft's last big attempt at a large acquisition came last year when it tried to buy TikTok, and it didn't happen. Wow, Microsoft, you were so close to getting that TikTok, but you didn't get it. Anyways, let me go ahead and review Pinterest because Pins has been blessed by some light in the universe. You know how it is. And Pinterest, ladies and gentlemen, even pre-market, we are doing amazing. Oh, David, what is that? We're making profit. We're making profit. David, what is that? It is Pinterest. It is going up. Guys, $86.50. You can see that our target has even been reached. 10.68%. Congratulations for those who were patient. And congratulations to those who have been riding Pinterest with us for quite a while. 242% already in profit, guys. I like Pinterest for the long term. I do believe it can go to 90s, 100s, and 125. I think that Pinterest is a very valuable platform with data, which we already know. Data is the new oil. Andrew Yang said it. Yang gang. And ladies and gentlemen, from Pinterest, let's go ahead and check out Microsoft. I actually have another article about Microsoft. So Microsoft, still a tech giant. Some people looking for, David, where can I park my money? I don't want to look at the charts. We'll get some dividends from a company like Microsoft. Yes, and Volkswagen teams up with Microsoft in automated driving solutions. Volkswagen Group, software company, car software organization, will collaborate with Microsoft to build a cloud-based automated driving platform on Microsoft Azure. The partnership will help increase the efficiency of the development of advanced driver assistance systems and automated driving functions for passenger cars across Volkswagen brands. Volkswagen is driving forward with digitalization of the car rapidly. By 2025, the group will invest about 27 billion euros in digitalization and increase the proportion of in-house development of software in the car to 60% from 10% today. Volkswagen and Microsoft have been strategic partners on the Volkswagen Automotive Cloud since 2018, which will span all of Volkswagen's future digital services and mobility offerings. Interesting. The automated AC, the automated driving functions can be tested, deployed, and operated. The first VW AC connected test fleets are expected to hit the road in 2021. What? Production rollout is planned for 2022. In 2020, Volkswagen Group globally delivered 9.31 million vehicles to customers, and Microsoft is expected to close the gap on Apple's market cap and head to the $2 trillion mark soon, says Joe Albano in his SA article. Microsoft will chase down Apple's market cap because of the cloud. There you go, guys. That's the importance of Microsoft Azure. But David, let's do Msft. Guys, I told you, I like technology. That's kind of like my main thing. Technology is my principal investment go-to area. I'm going to be very honest. Always been, always. And Microsoft, ladies and gentlemen, maybe retracing a little bit. 242.86. Actually going up a little bit, just 4 cents. For me, Microsoft is a long-term investment, as you already know. I do believe it can go to $300, just like Jeffrey says. It kind of makes sense, especially talking about Apple's market cap. And I think they could even go even further. If they're going to get into the vehicle game, which they already have started. I think they started with Ford Fiesta or something like that. But now Volkswagen, that's actually very, very interesting. I like Microsoft. As I said, for the long term, it just makes sense, especially with Microsoft Azure and all of their products and all of their investments, because they have been doing amazing, guys. Sometimes people are like, oh, but I don't see people using Microsoft Windows. Huh? But do you know that Microsoft owns part of many companies out there? Do you know that? They actually were part of Apple a long time ago. I don't know if they still own part of Apple. I do believe they do. But there's actually a pretty cool movie, an old movie from the 97s, which if you wanna watch, is about the rivalry between Bill Gates and Steve Jobs back in the start of Apple and Microsoft. It's called Pirates of Silicon Valley, and it's pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. Anyways, a lot of people looking for Nokia and okay, yes. Let's go ahead and take a look at this sleeping giant. What does it have for us today, ladies and gentlemen? So let's see what we got. Nokia and Brazilian research group CPQD to develop 5G ORAN solutions. Nokia has collaborated with Brazil's Telecommunications Research and Development Center, an independent government-affiliated research body, to jointly develop customized applications and solutions based on the open RAN-compliant near real-time RAN intelligent controller for the Brazilian market. Ari Kinaslakti, head of technology and strategy at Nokia Mobile Networks, commented, this important partnership will explore the potential for innovative 5G use cases that will have real-world value in Brazil across a range of different areas such as smart cities and fixed wireless access. Our RAN intelligent controller will play a critical role in this research, helping to explore and trial new cutting-edge use cases that will put Brazil at the forefront in the 5G era. And ladies and gentlemen, Nokia, the sleeping giant. I've been waiting for this for quite a while, since $3, guys. I'm like, man, Nokia, you gotta get the motherfucking up. But patience is the name of the game, and you already know. So as you already know, dudes and dudettes, shoeies and shoeettes, we were expecting Nokia having issues in this trend line, the monthly trend line. Still very, very strong, and still I'm looking for this retest of a trend line, guys. This trend line is going to be such a critical role, because if we get to drop a little bit more to, for example, 415, which actually is doing right now, 415? 415 is at 415. Maybe, yeah, but I want to see this structure, man. I just want to see going back down over here, which could be even $3, by the way. But after that, I want to see this breaking the trend line. This is going to be the critical point, because once we do this, we will be above the 50-day exponential moving average, and that will be the start of a cross. If we get that cross on the monthly, my friends, that's gonna be game over. On the weekly, we are starting to see that there is potential for the cross. Not there just yet. The daily goes the same way. The daily had this big spike, which we actually appreciated. I remember that day. That was the day where everything went crazy for GameStop. It went crazy for Nokia, AMC, and other ones. But for Nokia, ladies and gentlemen, even though it has become a meme motherfucking stunk, which kind of sucks, it has become a meme because I do like Nokia, and I think Nokia has a lot of potential. And if it became a stunk, and that's the way it's gonna go up, let it go up. They're gonna build a freaking lunar antenna. They're working on 6G. They're working on collaborations, which is amazing. And I think Nokia still is a strong player, even though a lot of people still believe that Nokia is a motherfucking phone. Nokia has a lot of patents, a lot of technology that they have been developing for years and years, and now it's starting to become from a happy seed to a happy tree. But patience is the name of the game. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Randy agrees. Let's go ahead and move forward, guys, to this article of semiconductors. But let me see. Marcenchi, good to see you, mi hermanillo. Healthy young food, my friend. Buenos dias. Good morning, Brandon Morris. David Ians, happy trees and happy branches. I think happy trees, happy branches, happy mistakes, happy trades. Oh, something like that. GRT crypto doing phenomenal. GRT, gonna add it after AQN. I'm gonna do AQN for you. Brian says, "Ay, good to see you, my friend." Jason Park, good morning. Yes, it is Thursday, and SoCal, bienvenido, mi hermanillo. Let's go ahead and review now, my friends. Semiconductors. This is gonna be an interesting article that I wanted to review with all of you. That kind of rhyme, which I wanna review with all of you, and let me know in the chat room or in the comment section what do you think about this. This is gonna be very, very interesting, as you already know. But David, you don't have a background. Ask the members what's happening in here, man. Are we kicking booty?
Oh, yeah!
Members, are you making profit?
Hell yeah!
Let me know, members, with a Hadouken or some coins to show what we are doing over here, because I know there's a lot of YouTubers starting to do a lot of lives similar to this one. I'm glad that we inspired many out there, but at the same time, none other like this community. This community is amazing, let me tell you. With a lot of love, con mucho amor. Does the semiconductor shortage need Operation Warp Speed? General Motors became the latest automaker yesterday to warn about a chip shortage, saying the semiconductor crunch could cut its earnings by $1.5 to $2 billion in 2021. It's not alone. Many companies across multiple industries have been flagging the problem in recent months, such as AMD and Qualcomm, which sell chips to most of the top electronics firms, or Sony, which blame the shortage for why it's so hard to get a PS5. What's going on, David? The COVID-19 pandemic triggered a surge in demand for PCs and other electronics as remote work and online learning became a new normal. Demand still remains at highs. In December, the Semiconductor Industry Association said global chips sales will grow 8.4% in 2021 from 2020's total of $433 billion. Other reasons include shifting semiconductor models that have created a bottleneck among outsourced chip factories, as well as effects from the years-long trade war with China. China, you know, this guy? No? Not anybody? Okay, guys, and then after this, go deeper. Many top semiconductor companies are now fables, meaning they only design the chips and the technology inside of them. Other companies, known as foundries, are contracted to actually make the chips, such as TSMC, I told you yesterday, guys. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm telling you, we're ahead of the curve, man. Or Samsung in South Korea. The shift to outsourcing has had a big effect on structural changes and related capacity. And we need more chips and we need more jobs. CNBC's Jim, we need more chips and we need more jobs. Sell. CNBC's Jim Cramer said on Mad Money, why not kill two birds with one stone? It's time for our government to invest in building the biggest, best complex of semiconductor foundries in the world. Sell. To put in perspective, even if a 10-cent chip is missing, you can't sell your $30,000 car. Added Gaurav Gupta, semiconductor analyst at Gartner, automakers also generally use just-in-time production to avoid having extra parts in storage, while the warning from GM sent auto chip stock higher during the session on Wednesday. And guys, with that said, I think it just makes sense to review a few. I think it makes sense to review AMD, Intel, TSM, and I want to take a look at NVIDIA, and I want to take a look at Nano Dimension. This is why it's very important that we have been reviewing Nano Dimension, okay? So let's review now the charts from AMD. Let's look what we got. Whoa, David, that is not the one. David. Muy buenos días, Estela Pacheco. Good to see you. Good morning. Yes, we're going to do AQN. Don't worry. We're going to do it very, very soon. Dubinek, good morning. Buenos días, mi hermanillo. Sí. Wait, what? I feel like the PS5 is just a myth at this point. Lo, I still have not even seen one. Oh, thank you. Talking about the PS5, I'm going to do Sony as well. So, guys, let's look at AMD. AMD on the daily. Woo! David, what is that? We're making profit. But guys, it's barely moving. I still believe that we're gonna go to the $100 level, which is basically now 8% away. Our last entry already in profits, very, very good, 2.2%. I do think that AMD is a long-term investment. I've been riding since $18, and right now it's a motherfucking 92, which is insane, guys. I love it. And this actually will be a good thing for them. My target is at 110 for now. I do believe it can even go to 120s and 130s. Even 35s make sense for Rosenblatt. My target was at 137, but all good, Rosenblatt. Then let me do Intel. Let's see what's happening over here. So Intel over here, this is not it. INTC, which I remember that it dropped at $49. I was like, man, this is a freaking discount code that honey.com won't even give you. Guys, $70 is still my target. I'm still enjoying the profits that we have gotten from the last drop at 49. I enter at 49. The reason, they pay dividends. And I've been getting paid dividends from them for quite a while, and I think that it can go to 70. We're already 20% in profits. I think we are gonna achieve that $70 level. 77, 80s makes sense to me as well. Just be patient, because now we're starting to see that we need more chips. See that, guys? How the market is? It goes up, it goes down. It goes up, it goes down. And really depends on the political environment. It really depends on the current status of what's happening in the world. As you can see, with the pandemic, things that were for home actually went up through the roof, and even computers were one of them. So interesting case for these companies, which a lot of people don't even talk about. When I started doing analysis for investing, this is why I was looking at Apple, Intel, AMD. I was looking at Taiwan Semiconductor a long time ago, guys. Was back in my 21s. And I'm not going to tell you my age, because I still look better than when I used to be younger. Something like that, right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Randy understands what I'm saying, but Randy, you're good, right?
Oh, yeah!
Okay, guys, so Taiwan Semiconductor today from 133.69, we're at 133.47. We can drop. I wouldn't mind the drop to 114. I still think that Taiwan Semiconductor is going to keep on going higher. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do the Phoebe. Can you see? We're going to do the Fibonacci that we did. Now we did. I don't know, guys. Sometimes I don't have words to rhyme, and I just say words. And I'm happy with that because I'm saying it with melody. And hopefully it makes you laugh. If it doesn't make you laugh, then dang it, David, you got to change the formula. If I have to change the formula, some people may like the formula and they're going to get disappointed if I get to change the formula, which is insane. But you know what? It's important over here is that we did the Fibonacci level, and I see 140s, 146, 162, 177, and 187. If we get to drop, for me, it's still an opportunity, especially with Taiwan Semiconductor. They are the leaders, one of the leaders in the chip creation. And that will take me now to NVIDIA, another company that has been working with chips a long time ago. And ladies and gentlemen, you can see that NVIDIA is giving us some blessings. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, NVIDIA already going up to $593. I do believe that $650 is the target for now. Before any retracement, I will love to see this go higher and higher. I understand that NVIDIA is expanding their portfolio. They're starting to be part of the automaking industry, and I am enjoying it because I do think that it makes sense having more processing power for carros. I was going to say carros, for cars. As you can see, great potential in the market. A lot of big players now trying to get into this sector because Tesla opened the door and it just went crazy, guys. NVIDIA, 593, already going up this pre-market, guys. 0.6%. Great movement. They pay dividends. Great company. Great products. I like it. I like it a lot. Sony, you know, a lot of people looking for Sony PS5 stock. Yes, I'm talking about the stock market today, though. So let's see what we got with Sony PS5. I was actually blessed by the lights of the universe. And I got a PS5, guys. Not everybody can get it. Shout out to my other PS5 bros. Omar Valentin, I'm talking to you, and Greasy Nugget. Guys, as you can see, Sony, $113.38 for Sony Corp. The previous week was bullish engulfing, as you can see over here, guys. This was an insane candle that it went up 19.3%. My last entry was actually at 70s, so I'm enjoying the ride. Before that, we had entries at 60s. But guys, 113 makes sense. I think that Sony can definitely go up to 121, 130s, and 137. Let me see the Fibonacci once again over here and see what we got. Okay, perfect. So I did the Fibonacci, and it's looking good. See that, guys? Beautiful. Different targets already set up for Sony. But David, is there a machine that can actually print chips? Man, oh man.
Bruh.
That's actually a great question. That's why I take a look at Nano Dimension. Let me see if Nano Dimension over here has any particular article recently. So there isn't any particular article, but let me just give you a little bit of a background of Nano Dimension. This is going to be very cool for those who do not know about Nano Dimension. So Nano Dimension, together with its subsidiaries, provides additive electronics in Israel and internationally. Its flagship product is the proprietary Dragonfly Lights Out digital manufacturing system, a precision system that produces professional multi-layer circuit boards, radio frequency antennas, sensors, conductive geometries, and molded connected devices for prototyping, though custom additive manufacturing. The company also provides nanotechnology-based conductive and dielectric inks, and Dragonfly and Switch software to manage the design, file, and printing process. It markets and sells products and services to companies that develop products with electronics components, including companies in the defense, automotive, consumer electronics, semiconductors, aerospace, and medical industries, as well as research institutes. The company was founded in 2012 and is headquartered in Ness Ziona, Israel. And with that said, guys, none of the mention. Let's see what we got. Woo! Let's see, guys. So today, from 1568, we're actually a little bit higher. Very, very good. I wouldn't mind none of the mention going down, but with the current status of the chips, trying to think about Operation Warp Speed, which is insane for chip making, that's a very interesting case. I still think that nano dimension is a long-term investment, especially with this technology that they have been developing for many, many years. It has broken crypto crackhead. $12 just became little for us, man. $12. We reach our target, guys. And as you can see, mira, let me show you something, by the way. Let me remove this. Let me remove these lines. I don't want to confuse you all. So this is the weekly candle, okay? The weekly time frame on the charts. And as you can see, guys, we had issues in this area. You see that? Creating support. Look where it created a support. Whoa! And having issues over here in this resistance. Whoa, David! And let's look at the daily. So the daily doesn't have any indication like that. Let me see the monthly real quick. And the monthly is still bullish, by the way, guys. 15 more days and 8 hours to close. It filled the wick as we wanted to see it be done on the monthly. I want to see that $22 level being reached. And then after that, that's going to be the hardest test for Nano Dimension, because that's the major trend line. As you can see, guys, major trend line for Nano Dimension. The 50-day exponential moving average is there. So we got to wait and see if we are going to have issues or not, because I would love to see this go up and down, retest. Let's go. That's kind of what I'm looking at. And not even like this. It can even go up and down, support and resistance being created along the way. Look at that. Definitely can be done. Very good for Nano Dimension. Let me know, guys, in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about Nano Dimension? Holy mofungo. Okay, guys, very, very beautiful. And Nndm. Let's go ahead and move forward. I'm almost done with the news, guys. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 news. 4 articles. And I'm actually going to finish all the articles first, and then I'll say, hey, I'm going to open the gates for requests. So be patient with that, my friends. Let's see over here, guys. Buenos dias. Dubinek, Nano Dimension to space, man. Huh? Oh, boy, pretty sure I'm going to be pre-migrating. What? Pre-what? Welcome, Peter Good. Hopefully you're doing good. Sueiri Davila, muy buenos dias. Award Data Man, good morning. Can you look at award? I'm gonna add it, but hey, I'm gonna add it to the end. My friends, please, the request at the end after I do Sundial. Let's see over here. Mara and Riot. Oh, see, guys, come on, because otherwise I'm gonna spend a lot of time. Got a lot of time writing this. Let's see. NAK. What is that? NAK? We're gonna review it, but I thought it was naked, but it's not naked. Sometimes I don't rhyme, but it has melody, so it's okay. I know. And that's awesome, dude. That's amazing. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this article that I got about CTRM. Mira esto, guys. Check it out. So this is very interesting because there's a few symbols that we have been keeping an eye on for quite a while. By the way, 45 viewers and 25 likes. The math doesn't make sense. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
I think we gotta match that. But, by the way, guys, if you don't have a Webull account, check out the link in the description. That will give you 4 free shares. That's it. With the influencer account that we got over here, because who the heck knew that we were gonna get that? By the way, guys, this is the David Show. It's not the Green Tom Show. This is my favorite show because it is my show. So yesterday at Motley Fool, we have this article that says, or the title is, Why Global Star, Castor Maritime, and Zomedica stocks surge today. Trading is booming in these popular penny stocks. I would say penny stocks. What happened? Shares of Global Star, Castor Maritime, and Zomedica climbed 15, 12, and 10% respectively on Wednesday as traders furthered their love affair with low-price stocks. So what, David? All three of these companies have had positive developments that have helped to spur sharp rallies in their share prices in recent weeks. Globalstar announced on Tuesday that Qualcomm will include its band N53 technology in the chip maker's flagship 5G modem. Globalstar said the partnership will greatly expand the number of devices that could connect to its network. Castor Maritime, meanwhile, has expanded its fleet in recent days. The shipping specialist has reached agreements to buy 2 Chemsar-Max dry bulk carriers so far in February, and it remains on the hunt for new acquisitions. Not to be outdone, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, that deserves another. Not to be outdone, Zomedica is preparing for the commercial launch of its TrueForma diagnostic platform for dogs and cats on March 30th. The veterinary health company is targeting a companion animal diagnostics market that's forecasted to grow to $2.8 billion by 2024. Man, that's a lot of explosions. While all three of these businesses have intriguing growth prospects, another common factor between them is that their stocks all traded below $1 per share until recently. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, like most penny stocks, trading in their shares has been volatile. Fortunately for shareholders, the violent swings in their share prices have largely been to the upside. Zomedica, Globalstar, and Castor Maritime are up stunning 989%, 600%, and 560% respectively so far in 2021. Now what, David? As highly traded low-price stocks, investors should expect Zomedica, Globalstar, and Castor Maritime to remain volatile, yet captivating investments. And as you already know, guys, when investing in penny stocks, make sure you're using disposable income. Always use a trading plan. Understand the risk and the reward ratio. In this particular case, high risk, high reward opportunities. Let's get started with Gsat. We've been talking about it for quite a while in our Discord community, and I am glad that a lot of people have been kicking booty with it. Hello? Yeah? You have been kicking booty? You have been kicking booty, man?
Get some now! What the rock is cooking!
Thank you, my friend. I haven't talked about the haters, so a little bit later, okay? Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and review Gsat. So Gsat, guys, yesterday made an amazing move. It moved up 42.7%, which is amazing. It did retrace back down to be 16.5% from the last entry, okay? Because Gsat, we have been writing it since like 0.80s. I believe Cameron, Danny Corrales, even Antonio Rodriguez have been talking about this one for quite a while, and I'm very excited, very happy about it because we have done the analysis in our Discord and proving that not only the news is gonna take us higher, is actually the technicals giving us that beautiful sign. As you can see over here, guys, the creation of higher highs and higher lows. As you can see over here, guys, great potential, great opportunities. Globalstar, very, very nice. And it's starting to go up, up, and away. Pre-market, by the way, guys, from $2.40, we are actually up, ladies and gentlemen. Not a lot, but it's a good number, which is 7.4% to $2.58, which is very, very beautiful. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. Have you been capitalizing on global star? Let me know in the chat room, guys, because this is starting to look very interesting. I do like the potential to go back to 296, which is 23% from wherever we are. It can go up to 357, which is 47%, and 455, which is 90%. After that, I even see more potential for upside, but I'm gonna keep it simple for now. Los pies en la tierra, as you already know, guys. Y zapatos de la gloria. You can even go to $6, which is 150s, 160s. And it can even go to $9 to $10, which is 313%, which is insane. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Thank you, Randy. And GSAT, guys, doing very, very good. Let's keep an eye on that. From GSAT, let's move to CTRM. Shout out to my friend. Hey, it's Amir. Hey, it's Amir. You brought this one to the table, my friend. I can't deny it. And ladies and gentlemen, Castor Maritime from $1.18. Oh! David, what is that? We're making profit. David, what is that? It is CTRM is going up. David, what is that? We're making profit. David, ¿qué eso? Es CTRM is going up, ladies and gentlemen, from 118 to 155, 31%.
Oh, yeah!
Holy mofongo!
Monster kill,
guys,
kill.
CTRM, our entries from 19 cents. That is insane. We have been writing it, just leaving it there, man. Thinking about it, just watching it sometimes. 683%. Woo! What a good return of investment. Man, tell me what bank pays you 1% every month? Right now, tell me. Exactly, my friend. Exactly, Shui. That's all I've been saying, man. We gotta make that money work, because if you don't put that money to work, it's gonna be resting and it's gonna stay there. The devaluation of the dollar is kind of happening, so keep that in mind as well. $1.57, 683% right now in profits, guys. Congratulations. And CTRM, by the way, guys, has a lot of potential, by the way. A lot of potential. Remind yourself that we are not 100% full economy running, okay? We are not there yet. The economy is not open how it used to be. It's going to take a little bit of time. $2.58 is my first target. After that, which is basically from wherever we are right now, is 62%. I do see $4, which is 159% upside. I see this 535, 240%. I even see 961, 500%, and finally going up to 19, which is 1,000%, guys. The whole move for us is gonna be way more than that, but once we get to go higher, I'll do the Phoebe. For now, Castor Maritime, I'm gonna leave it where it's at right now. I'm liking the ride. I'm enjoying it. It's already 164. Holy mofongo, man! We're doing salsa over here.
Excellent.
Woo! And the last one is Somedica, so let's do ZOM. Wow, can't believe it. This is insane. This is insane, guys. Somedica, let's do it right now. Good morning, Kishinu. Good morning, Sebastian. I will suggest saying hi to everybody. A lot of entrepreneurs and a lot of amazing investors in this chat room. David, what is that? We're making profit. David, what is that? It is Omerica. It is going up. David, what is that? We're making profit. David, ¿qué eso? Es Omerica y está subiendo, ladies and gentlemen. $2.97. Holy mofongo. Guys, $2.97, 16.6%. But David, you don't do analysis. Yug, where the heck are you, man? Where the heck are you guys? I actually entered on this one on the lowest low. I entered a long time ago. There's actually a video called the Yug Dilemma. When we talk about ZOM back then, guys, there's a freaking video of me in a freaking candy car. Can you even imagine? Let me see if I can find it here, guys. But before I get to that video clip, this has been one of the biggest investments that I've done. I mean, one of the lower investment, higher reward investment that I've got. $2.98. We have reached our first target, ladies and gentlemen, which is $3 motherfucking dollars. After that, but David, what is the next target?
Oh yeah!
Thank you, Linley. Thank you for the blessing. Guys, we can definitely go up higher from 297. My first price prediction is 378, which can be equal to $4, right? I don't usually do the specific round number because sometimes we get stuck over there, my friends. 478. It is amazing the opportunities that we got above. And even after that, I see more potential. But for now, let's see. Let me go ahead and do the Phoebe. Let me do the Phoebe right now. Let me see what we got. Love is all I've got. As I remember that love is all I got. As I remember that.
Yeah!
Holy mofongo. Thank you very, very much, Peter Good, for that beautiful. You already know, guys, that all of this contribution will go towards the channel to grow the channel bigger and better and faster and more badasser. Yes, guys, we're gonna get to the Mr. Beast levels. That's what Randy said, right, Randy?
Oh yeah!
We're gonna get to 1 million subs. That's the number.
Oh yeah!
Patience is the name of the game, my friend. Patience is the name of the game, and it's very hard when this happens when you're ahead of the curve. Because, guys, literally, we have been ahead of the motherfucking curve, and that's it. That's what happens. Guys, $2.98. I'm enjoying the ride. I think 378 makes sense to me. 478 makes sense to me. And just to give you a little bit of perspective, right? From 298. Wow, I can't even believe this one. Yug, where the heck are you, man? 478 is a 60% upside. 769 is 157. I even see over here $10 is 260 and $12 is 315%. So keep that in mind, my friends. Hopefully that is helpful. And pre-market, oh my goodness, we're kicking booty pre-market, dudes. This is insane. Beautiful, beautiful upside. Congratulations for those who capitalized on the opportunity. Let me know. Do you think that we're going to still keep doing some? Or will we go down to the bottom of the ocean, to the pineapple, and visit SpongeBob Bobby? Dudes and dudettes, what a beautiful thing. Let me go ahead and review Ford. I don't want to get too deep into Ford, LUV, AstraZeneca. I do want to focus on Sundial coming up. But ladies and gentlemen, no. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. Let me tell you. Because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be even doing this video. You already know that we do the videos con mucho, mucho amor. Like Walter Mercado used to say. Mucho, mucho amor, ladies and gentlemen. Mucho, mucho amor. Let me go ahead and add some Instagram posts. Guys, check it out. DEIVED. Let's review Ford. Why not? And I'm almost done with the news. It's 7:28 a.m. Holy mofongo. We have covered a lot of stuff. Man, oh man. Thank you all. Thank you for the support, my friends. Oh my goodness. Buenos dias, Antonio. Good to see you. Let's see. Tic nervioso. Billete. Yes. AQMS. Yes, we're going to do AQMS. Don't worry. Let's go. Jerry Bear, good to see you. Sebastian, hopefully that part of the video will help you out. NVIS, going ham. Do you know it? You already know it. Bitcoin, are we going parabolic? Woo! When can we see $8? I'm not a mind reader. I'm not a psychic. If I was a psychic, I will say you in a few months. But I think a few months. It's not going to be there in a day. I'm in Zooms in $1. I remember you. He makes us laugh so much about ZOM. Yep. Did everybody smash that like button yet? I'm just saying. And who's saying it is Fat Nuts. Estela Pacheco, thank you. 50 viewers, 29 likes. I would love to see 50 viewers, 50 likes. Let's see if that happens. Let's see this one, guys. So we talked about Microsoft partnering with Volkswagen, and now Ford Volkswagen EV battery supplier defeated in trade secret case. So very interesting. SK Innovation's Korean-made batteries will be banned from the U.S. from 10 years. The U.S. International Trade Commission rules in a decision that threatens to disrupt plans by Ford and Volkswagen to build electric vehicles in the U.S. LG Chem, also from Korea, has accused SK Innovation of stealing trade secrets related to lithium-ion battery production. Uh-oh. That deserves, my friends, this. And the ITC's order affirmed a judge's earlier ruling that the import ban was the appropriate punishment for SK's destroying evidence that LG Chem said it needed to prove its case. But anyways, guys, just to talk about Ford, I needed to review that article, and I want to see Ford because Ford has been doing amazing as well. Our entries at $5. I didn't enter at 4. I thought that Ford will be going to 2, but it didn't. So for now, Ford from 1176 to 1168. I think there's still potential for Ford to go to $14 and even higher, guys. I think we gotta go back to 18. It just makes sense to me. It makes sense. And 56% can be achievable. I do see 21 from where we're at right now. That's at 88%, and even 26. That's 130%. Makes sense to me. No bank is gonna pay you 136%. LUV, let me do LUV. Why not? Love. I want to do some love. So check this out, guys. This is the interesting one. White House to meet with airline CEOs on Friday.
Wow.
Major U.S. airline executives are scheduled to meet virtually on Friday with the White House's COVID-19 response coordinator to discuss travel-related concerns. The meeting comes as airlines, aviation unions, and other industry groups have strongly objected to the possibility of requiring pre-departure COVID-19 testing before domestic flights. Southwest co-CEO Gary Kelly and airline union leaders today urged President Biden in a letter not to mandate COVID testing, saying it will put jobs at risk and will be counterproductive, costly, and have serious unintended consequences. The Allied Pilot Association, representing American Airlines, 15,000 pilots, says mandatory pre-flight testing will be unwarranted, logistically impractical, and wasteful, and will seriously threaten the stability of our industry. Boeing also has warned the White House that requiring COVID-19 tests before U.S. flights could pose significant economic harm. Guys, but come on. Come on, airlines. If there was a test, a 15-minute test, that wouldn't be an issue. And you can buy them. It's simple. Technology will get there. Technology will get to a part of the point that we are able to do that. But I do understand their perspective as well. I don't want to bash them, but they haven't been following protocol. Like, and I traveled and I looked like a stormtrooper. I had a mask and a face shield, but I was safe. I went to Puerto Rico. I arrived without any issues, by the way. And I love Puerto Rico. I really needed that vacation, guys. I haven't even taken a vacation for almost 2 years because I've been doing these videos every motherfucking day. Every motherfucking day, okay, guys? 5 a.m., waking up, researching, doing the videos with a lot of energy, work on my other stuff, and then doing the videos once again to eat something and go to eat. Yes, that's how I do it, guys. I'm so dedicated that's why when I say go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and ring the bell, you're really supporting not only the channel, but my efforts to actually provide you some quality content and some quality reviews. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
LUV for me still has potential to $67. Right now from $51.28. Not a lot of movement, but I can tell you all that I do like that bullish engulfing candle that is creating. We've been riding LUV since the downside that it created when the COVID happened over here. I still remember, guys, this happened, boom. We started reviewing, we got in, and then there were a lot of multimedia saying, oh, the millennial investors are getting into something that doesn't make sense, blah, blah, blah. It went down, guys. That's what happened. That's what happened. Everybody got out. And then it just keeps on going because now they're taking advantage of that price because they knew that this was going to go up, and it did go up. And now I'm waiting for that 58%, which is 14% away. And then after that, I see 67. Requires a little bit of, requires that conversation. It will happen tomorrow. And I think that's going to create higher highs, guys. Even JetBlue. I like JetBlue for quite a while. I entered around $9 over here. And now it's at 16.66. So we're actually higher pre-market from 16.64. I'm expecting JetBlue to, yes, go up to 21 once again. I think kind of makes sense to me. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a wild ride, but we have capitalized very nicely, and let's keep an eye on things. Let's keep an eye on things. Looking very, very good. Now, let's do AstraZeneca. This is going to be very, very quick. I did want to review AZN because a lot of people have been tracking the story with me, and AstraZeneca, ladies and gentlemen, let me see if I'm able to do perfect stream marker. TTOO, ¿te parece? Yes, we've been writing TTOO already, and TTOO is actually able to scan the Brazilian strain of the COVID. We reviewed as well a long time ago. AstraZeneca EPS beats by 0.12, beats on revenue. ACN fourth quarter non-GAAP EPS of 1.07, beats by 0.12. GAAP EPS of 0.78, beats by 0.44. Revenue of $7.41 billion, beats by $310 million. FY 2021 guidance total revenue is expected to increase by low teens percentage, accompanied by faster growth in core EPS to $4.75 to $5. And then the next article about this that I wanted to review for all of you is that AstraZeneca declares $1.90 dividend. For those who don't want to get in and get out, a lot of times this is what happens, guys. Yes, $1.90 payable March 29th for shareholders of record February 26th, ex-div February 25. Let's review ACN. I still remember AstraZeneca going low, 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 and we were waiting for the right opportunity. Let's see if that's it. Guys, still waiting. Look at that. I've been waiting a long time for this moment to come. I'm destined for anything at all. Man, Green Day, man. Green Day. Check out that album, the Warning album. Wasn't bad. I liked it. I think that it can go up to 54, 59. I really think that it can go up to 65. And you already know. Waiting. I've been waiting, guys. That's why patience is the name of the game. Once you get the confirmations, it makes sense. If you already understand the risk and the reward that you're getting into, then, I mean, you're a pro. Let's go ahead and move forward, guys. I don't want to spend a lot of time on AZN. Let me check out TTOO since I mentioned this airlines testing, which kind of makes sense. T2 Biosystems has been very impressive as well. $3.23 already going up. And guys, we've been writing this one since around $1.40. We already reached our first target over here in the 200 EMA, which makes sense. I would love to see it close above the $4 area to continue with the upside. Kind of makes sense to me. And like I said, having some airlines providing some testing there will be awesome, okay? Maybe not them, but maybe you got to take the test, and that will be a good way to move forward, guys. Why not? Airlines, just motherfucking adjust, bro. Don't be spreading the germs. 127% upside. Could be definitely a good opportunity. Keeping an eye on that and see if we can go to that $10 area. I do believe it can go even higher to 31, but it requires patience. You know, that's a 477%. JetBlue to 60 eventually. Yep, I agree. Smash the like. This man making videos and making you profits every day. You know it, my friend. You know how we do it. Okay, guys. 44 viewers, 31 likes. It is very, very close. Very, very close. I would love to see 40 likes. But you know what? Patience is the name of the game. Yeah. Now we are going to talk about Sundial. Call your mom. Call your brother, your sister. Guys, we're going to do SNDL over here. This one was provided yesterday, and it's not specific to Sundial. It's just that I want to review Sundial, by the way. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, because there's 2 articles that I want to go ahead and take a look. This was today. Yep, that's it. So there's 2 articles that we're going to review, and we're going to take a look at Sundial and see what's happening. Betting on Biden? Reddit fuels fresh surge in cannabis stocks. Or maybe the This is the David Show. Been talking about it for a while, guys, ahead of the curve. Shares in North American cannabis firms were heading for new highs on Thursday, with Reddit inspired. Retail investors betting they could beat the short sellers and benefit from lighter regulation of the sector under U.S. President Joe Biden. U.S.-listed Tilray and Sundial growers, which surged more than 50% each in the previous session, were up 14 and 50% respectively in U.S. pre-market trading as European retail investors piled into the rally. Participants on the Wall Street Bets forum on Reddit, which inspired a price spike in GameStop earlier this year that squeezed out Wall Street short sellers who had bet on a price fall, have turned attention to U.S. and Canadian cannabis firms. The involvement of Reddit means a frenzy is the right word, said Jasper Lawler, head of research at London Capital Group in London. What? I'm splitting the outlook in 2. Reddit targeting a short squeeze in Tilray means a quick pump and dump, he said, while others look longer term amidst prospects for lighter regulation of the sector under Biden and his Democrat allies in Congress. Swaggy Stocks, which aggregates sentiments on shares discussed on the Wall Street Bets forum, which has about 8 million participants, showed Sundial and Tilray were the most upvoted or highly touted stocks. Short interest in Tilray, measuring the number of shares borrowed by short sellers betting on a price fall, was about 37% on Wednesday, compared to 27% at the end of January, financial analytics firm Ortex said. Short sellers borrow stocks and sell them on aiming to buy them back later, more cheaply, and pocket the difference. If the shares move up instead, they face a short squeeze as they race to buy the stock to close out their positions to stem losses. Tilray was the most traded stock on German trading platform Lang & Schwartz, with more than 2.4 million euros in turnover by 11:16 GMT, well ahead of major German stocks such as Volkswagen and Deutsche Bank. Other pot stocks, Sundial growers and Aurora Cannabis, were also among the most active on the platform, reflecting high retail interest, traders said. It's the Reddit army and friends, and obviously the David community, which was earlier than that, but I love it. I love it that there's the conversation going. And Stefan de Schutte, portfolio manager and Alpha Trading in Frankfurt. Tilray jumped more than 50% on Wednesday, while the US-listed Sundial and Toronto-listed Aurora surged 78% and 21% respectively. A search for Tilray showed up 217 posts on eToro, an Israeli trading platform seen as an alternative in Europe to popular US retail platforms such as Robinhood. One eToro user in Germany, Chris Bro14, wrote in a thread about Tilray as it traded around $70. Guess will go to $100. Where do you have TP limit? What do you think it will do? Interest director, the sector lifted cannabis-focused exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to new highs, with some more than doubling in value over the past month. And then over here, guys, following up with that article, cannabis crazies, marijuana names light up again. Light it up, Chewy. Light it up. Cannabis stocks are again higher this morning as WSB Reddit traders turned their focus to the sector. Marijuana names were already having a party since the beginning of February, given a Jazz Pharmaceutical $7.2 billion deal for medical cannabinoid firm GW Pharma, and Tilray's pact to distribute medical cannabis products in the UK. Canopy Growth fiscal third quarter revenue beat also helped boost sentiment, while Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer unveiled plans to put forward on advanced comprehensive cannabis reform legislation. And guys, analyst commentary. It seems that institutional investors are finding pathways to access the U.S. cannabis opportunity despite U.S. operators, shares being traded on the CSE and U.S. OTC markets with relatively limited liquidity. Rostifel GMP analyst Andrew Paternio In addition, it seems the perceived risk profile stemming from the conflict between federal and state laws, which has also narrowed the availability of custodians that deal in the industry, has not deterred investor enthusiasm. With that said, I think it just makes sense to review Sundial. I want to do Tilray. Okay. Let's do GW Pharma. I think it kind of makes sense to review it. Let's do Jolo. And let's do ACB. Why not? Man, there's a lot of things here. No, City. No, City. It's not you. It's just the freaking guys, every time I say ACB, Siri gets activated. It's insane. Even though we're getting a little bit of a hit in the pre-market right now, guys. We created higher highs recently. Well, let's see what will happen next. Let's get a look at Sundial. Let's see what it's doing right now. Let's see what we got. So, ladies and gentlemen, Sundial from 295 to holy mofongo. Man, oh man, 27% upside. Holy mofongo. We're doing salsa over here, guys. Definitely making sense. I do believe that Sundial can go to $3.89. That will mean that we'll be doing 32% already to the upside. Woo! Guys, by the way, Sundial, our entries were very, very low, around 0.50, even a little bit lower than that. But guys, we are kicking booty and ready to kick some more booty, because I do think that we can even head to motherfucking $13. Which is 350%. But David, what if it gets there? Well, we can break the resistance and go to 17 and 21. Kind of makes sense to me, guys. And after that, I even got some targets at 34. And I'm liking the ride. We'll definitely keep an eye on what's happening in the United States Senate. I wouldn't mind, by the way, a retracement. I think a retracement will be ideal. Because otherwise, if we go too crazy up, guys, we're going to see a spike down very fast, and a lot of people are going to get grounded. It's going to be like, oh, let's get to Sundial, and they're getting in at 10, 12, 13, and they get screwed. If you didn't enter early, guys, I will suggest just waiting for a retracement to go back down to re-enter, or having some buy stops, right? Good opportunities over here, guys. We've been capitalizing on Sundial for quite a while. I don't know if you have been seeing or watching my videos. I've been doing a lot of analysis already. Let's keep an eye on Sundial. Hopefully, the cannabis sector will continue going to the upside. So one of those that have been in the talks about merging is Afria. Let me go ahead and take a look at Afria and see what it's doing pre-market. So pre-market, Afria from 2630 is going back down to reality, guys. See that? Retracing a little bit. The monthly is still bullish, though. It retraced about 3.1%. And the weekly, yes, still bullish, which is good. The daily, it was a bearish candle, but I still believe it can continue with some more upside. Patience is the name of the game, as you already know. Let me do Tilray, because Afria and Tilray will actually merge, and Tilray has been doing amazing as well. $63.91 was yesterday's close. Today, we're retracing a little bit, 7.5%. This is the only problem about getting some pump in the game, is that it will retrace, guys, and a lot of people will get stuck. I don't want you to be stuck in any pump and dumps, guys. I want you to be in any investment over here. I want you to be over here, low, so you don't experience all of this pain, because some people may get in Tilray at 50s and now it's gotta go down, and you know, guys, that kind of sucks. Going back to 30s will be an interesting point for Tilray. I'm still expecting Tilray to go into 70s. I mean 70s, not 70s. I actually think it can go to 100s and 299s. So patience will be required for this one. I would love to see a retracement like this to continue with our trend line. This is what I want to see. See that? That will make sense for me. And if it breaks the trend line, then I will re-enter, because I'm already in. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Randy's already in, and he's waiting. Let's do now GPWH. GPWH. ladies and gentlemen, GPWH has been going phenomenal. This one actually looked very, very good. We've been reviewing for quite a while as well. It's been since last year that I haven't reviewed this chart. But as you can see, guys, the break of our resistance over here made a lot of sense. Already 53% to the upside. But David, where do you think this can go? Well, let's do a Fibonacci over here and see where we can actually be heading to. This is not going to be the best Fibonacci level, but I'm going to do it anyways because we got to have at least some perspective of where can price go and just plan it out. Plan your investment, guys. Maybe you have 1,000 shares and you're like, man, I'm going to close my initial positions because that will basically mean that, or at least close some positions to cover my initial investment. And that's a good trading plan. You can even evolve from that. I do like GWPH. It can go to 274 and even 397. After that, I got over here in the list YOLO and ACB. And after that, I'm going to go to your favorite symbols. $30.06 is the current price for YOLO. It did retrace a little bit. It's not bad still. It's still bullish for me. It did retrace to 30.06. It's not that much. It's 1.2%. For me, there's still room for growth, especially for this ETF, which actually pays dividends, by the way, guys. I think that $39.41 is a great target. If it gets to retrace, like we said, back to 26, that will be an opportunity, my friends. Right, Chewy? And then after that, let's do Aurora Cannabis. A lot of people have lost money. If you have lost money with ACB, go ahead and dislike this video. I don't care. It's like doing a motherfucking Kamehameha. If you are a hater, go ahead and dislike this video. I don't care. You inspire me. And you know what? Hello? Yeah, now is the time, bro. I'm sorry that I put you on hold, but now we're talking about the haters. Yeah, The Rock has a message to all the haters.
Put a little icy hot on it, turn it sideways, and take it straight up your candy ass.
Thank you, my friend. Talk to you later.
Oh, no.
Yeah, Mario, that's gonna hurt someone. But Aurora Cannabis over here, guys. Let's see what we got. Aurora Cannabis, for me, there's still potential. From 1892, guys, we're actually up to 1920s, which is good. I do believe we can go back to 30s, and that's going to be the real test for Aurora Cannabis. If we go to 120s, that will be insane. That will be a
monster kill.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and we are done with the news. It's 7:52, so that's amazing. We are doing it great. Very, very nice. Good morning, Kishnu. Let me log into my other account to get David dislikes. Like this, like that. Let's go. SNDL. Shares average 56 cents. Beautiful. Danny Corrales. Pot pill. NTEC 925. Let's see NTEC. I got in this one, Danny. I got in this one because you were like NTEC. And I'm like, pot pills. Kind of makes sense for those who don't want to smoke. Or, you know, there's other type of advantages in the cannabis. You already know this. I'm not an expert in cannabis. Chewy is an expert in cannabis. Right, Chewy? And NTEC, ladies and gentlemen, from 771 to 850. Woo! Already riding, man. Nicely done. Nicely done. Already 10%. Beautiful. Let's see. JBC. Wepa. Good to see you. Peter, good for your mommy. Wait, what? What happened with Peter? Let's see over here. Mike Riplinger. FOMO. What do I do? Wait. Wait for another opportunity, dude. Wait for another opportunity. You know how it is. They have 1 billion shares outstanding. It's up ridiculous amount. Which one, Sebastian? Welcome to the channel. Say hi next time. You know, we do the videos con mucho amor. And there's a lot of amazing entrepreneurs and investors over here. So you want to share that hi just to wake up and just be amazing. I don't know. But you're talking about something there that I don't even know what you're talking about. You're the man. You're the man, bro. You're the man. I'm taking more profits today. John Gunn.
Roar.
Nice. Been on Sundial since 0.49. Thanks to your show.
Roar.
Nicely done. SoCal doing amazing over here. Eric Lopez. ¿Qué onda, Ricky Martin? The best stock reviewer on YouTube.
Oh, yeah!
Dude, this is the most monumental channel here on YouTube. You already know. Ah. There you go, Estela, for you. Let's see over here real quick. By the way, guys, follow me, DEIVED, on my Instagram. You know how it is, guys. If you want to see some screenshots of the chat room, or if you want to see some technicals that I always post on my story, check it out. Let me go ahead and start over here. Gloria, buenos dias.
Oh, yeah!
Good to see you, CTRM. Yes, indeed, CTRM. Now I'm going to do AQN, GRT, SRAX, Mara, Riot, NK. Let me see over here. I think, what else do we have? Peter, do you know that we got other, we got opportunities to review in our Discord? So if there's not enough time, you know, we can definitely review in there. But I'm going to review Okujin, definitely. And I don't know, if somebody else has requested some things. I want you to request them right now because I'm making the list and I don't want to get too crazy. It's 7:56, which is an amazing time. But I do want to take a little bit of your requests. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and get started. Let's take a look at AQN, ladies and gentlemen. AQN, this was provided by our friend Healthy Junk Food. Let's see what we got over here, guys. Let's do some, wow, resistance levels. Support and resistance, always the key to start doing the analysis, by the way, guys. Keep that in mind. There's a video about support and resistance in the description. Check it out. I highly recommend taking a look at it because that's all we do over here, which is support and resistance and technicals for all the symbols that we want to review, you know. And then the news actually provide us the reason why the moves. And if you look over here at the monthly, kind of makes sense going back to this support level of 971, which is very, very good. But David, what about some price predictions above? Well, let's do the Phoebe. Can you see? We're gonna do the Fibonacci. Okay, guys, Fibonacci done already. 18.77. We got over here 21.32. I like this price point of 28.50s and 35.93, and finally $40. Kind of makes sense. $40, huh? AQN, guys. This one can take a little bit of time, I guess. It's retracing a little bit, 17.49. Actually, no, it's looking pretty bullish to me. This can go up pretty soon, guys. It's creating enough pressure to go up. And the way that you can actually invest in this one will be having a buy limit or a buy stop at 17.70 or a buy limit over here at 16.67. That will be insane and a good opportunity to go up to 18.77 means that we'll go up 5.9%. If we go to 21, that means that we can go up 20%. Longer term, as you can see, for 28, it means 62, 35, 103%, and $40, 127% upside, which will be an insane move. And I'm liking the bullish candles. Look at all of the bullish candles. Very, very nice. Shout out to Healthy Junk Food. Follow them on YouTube. Tell them that David and Shui send a lot of love, guys. A lot of love. From AQN, let's do, I want to do AQMS. I'm going to do AQMS right now. And then GRT. Why? Because AQN reminded me of Aqua Metals. And I know Antonio, Rostam, and a lot of you out there are actually waiting patiently for AQMS. Let's go to the 4-hour and see what we got. So we are still in a flag. This is going to be the critical point for AQMS. If we break the resistance of $6.68, we're going to definitely go up to $7.78. There is still potential for more upside. I wouldn't even mind, by the way, guys, let's keep los pies en la tierra, 370s, okay? 370s will be an insane price. But looking at the previous monthly candle, by the way, guys. Let me remove all of these lines. You can see that AQMS closed bullish engulfing the previous month, so it's gonna take a little bit of time. This is like a monthly investment, okay? We can't expect everything to move fast. We gotta be patient about it, as you have seen with a lot of things like Sundial, Ctrm, all of this, even Medica, have been a waiting game, guys. And I would love to see AQMS break higher and do this structure. Once we break higher, break the resistance, go back to this next resistance of 778, maybe go back down just a little bit, back to 660s, and then continue with the upside. That's all I'm waiting. And if it gets to drop, we can expect the same thing, guys. I wouldn't even mind that at all. So let's keep an eye on AQMS. After that, GRT. By the way, guys, I don't know if you saw, but Bitcoin, while we were doing the videos, reached the $48,000 level. Oh my goodness, 48,400. Holy mofongo, guys. Woo! Man, oh man. My last entries blessing my portfolio. Man, I'm very, very happy about that. Holy mofongo, guys. I don't even know. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh. But David. Good morning, Eddie D. Eddie D. That's the name of a rapper, man. I think I just became a fan. Had to hit the like button. Young Nutrition, welcome. And thank you for that. Beautiful.
Boom shakalaka!
I did it. I did the boom chakalaka. I had to do it. I had to do the boom chakalaka, guys. Just because of that comment. Young Nutrition. By the way, Young Nutrition, if you have videos on your YouTube, promote your YouTube channel. If you have a business, promote your business. I'm telling you all, guys, people in here are very talented entrepreneurs and investors. I'm telling you guys, a lot of great talented people over here, okay? That's why we need to say hi to everybody, and I think manners matter. So let's review GRT. Wow, Bitcoin, amazing. GRT. Morning fams, ADD, love it. Where is the Discord link? You won't be able to find it. Once you become a member, you will reveal the key to the kingdom. And you need to become, hey, if you're an investor, you will only have access to the general chat room. If you become a kicking booty or a rock star,
Hell yeah!
you're gonna have everything revealed. I'm telling you all, man. And the members can speak by themselves. I don't have to sell this or anything. I don't need you to invest. Or I'm telling you guys, I don't need to promote it. I just want you to be part of the community. And when you invest like that, it makes sense that you're supporting the community and you're supporting the cause. Because I've been doing these videos every day every day, guys, 2 times every day for a while, almost 2 years, almost 3 years. That's insane. And we haven't gotten the explosion that we need for our channel, but you know what? I don't care, because the quality of individuals in this channel is insane. I prefer having a little bit of more quality entrepreneurs and investors in our community than having a lot of people saying that, what does the ape think? Or something like that. You know what I mean, guys? You know what I mean? But a lot of respect to all the communities out there. There's a lot of amazing opportunities. Liquidity, man. Follow them on Instagram. They have amazing posts. I love it. There's a lot of Instagram profiles like Stocks for Life. One of my friends, he's been a supporter of this channel for quite a while. For GTR USD, it seems like it can go to 2.42 or 280s. Great potential for the weekly, looking very bullish. The daily looking very, very bullish as well. 9 more hours and 56 minutes to close. And if you look at the 4-hour, already creating bullish sentiment, looking good. Let's see over here, man. Always chakalaka. I love the boom chakalaka. Do you guys really love the boom chakalakas? Because I haven't been doing them that much. You know why? Because somebody came over here and said, there's too many boom chakalakas, not enough information. And I was like, dang. No! My boom chakalakas are getting canceled? Man, oh man, that actually hurt. SRAX. Let's do SRAX. Silverback Racing TV, welcome, my friend. Good to see you. Man, oh man, bitty Bitcoin. I only have one share of MVIS. Huh? Well, MVIS is actually good, my friend. MVIS has been kicking booty. So SRAX, let's see what we got over here. Ooh, interesting. Resistance level of 1990s, 1140s. Let's see the resistance level over here of $8. Nice. I'm liking here 582s. Kind of makes sense to me. I want to see this go up. Kind of makes sense, especially with this double bottom, guys. Look at that. Boom. And this is the monthly, by the way. It's going to be a tough task to break the resistance, but I think we're trying to get there, right? We retrace back down to 571, and there's still potential to go to 792, which could be a 38% move. If we go to 11, that's a 99 to 100% move. And if you look over here, it can even go to 1996, which is 249. If SRAX gets to move more, we can do the Phoebe. But for now, we're going to wait for that move. Let's do MARA, because MARA has been moving because of Bitty Bitcoin. And Bitty Bitcoin right now is at 47,442. MARA, on the other hand, let's see what we got. So MARA has been going up once again, guys. I'm still expecting for MARA to go to $40 over here to revisit the resistance level, which it makes sense, and 39% as an amazing opportunity. Shout out to my friend Edouard Murati, which Edouard, I don't want to say anything, but Edouard seems to be farting some profits, my friends. Insane movement. Look at that. MARA is doing great. I think it can go to $55 more to the upside. Look at that. 174% is the whole move that I've been waiting for. And I'm looking for more upside longer term. I really think that MARA can become a very important company going back to 232s. Guys, let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. This is all about patience. Looking good. Riot. Let's see what we got. This is the other one, guys. Riot and MARA are the biggest ones for me in the crypto or blockchain sector, as in companies. Already up $41.65. Look at that. From yesterday alone, we're up 24%, which is amazing. And I do believe we can even go to $46.91 and higher. 71 is the next target. I'm liking the ride. It's doing great. This is the kind of dip that we can capitalize on. These kind of dips are the ones that we are kicking booty with it. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
And then after that, let's do NAK. Let's see over here, guys. We think together, not for each other. Exactly. ¿Dónde estabas que no te había visto? I don't know. I was in another dimension. In nano dimension. NAK, as we said, he had opportunities to go to the upside, as you already know, guys. And if you have any questions, by the way, en español, me la pueden preguntar y la puedo responder en español. Sé que hay muchas personas aquí que hablan español. De ser necesario, estoy pensando hacer videos en el fin de semana en español y creo que va a ser muy bueno. Pero necesito que también aprendan inglés si no saben hablar inglés. Creo que es bien crítico aprenderlo. Aprecio mi lenguaje en español, pero a la misma vez quiero expandir. And je ne parle très bien français, okay? We can actually see NAK going up from 94 cents to 108. That's 16%. The opportunity is still presented to go to 252. I do believe this one can even go higher to 340s. But los pies en la tierra, guys. And we are kicking booty. Not bad at all, right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Very, very good. And let's see, TRCH. We love Chewy, David. Yeah, Chewy is an amazing individual. Chewy, do you have any words for our amazing audience? I agree. Yes, exactly, my friend. And then... See, I don't even have to talk and you already know everything. It's amazing. Yeah, I love it. TRCH, guys, $2.37. as we said, I think we reviewed this one yesterday. I think we did. The problem with this one is that it already made the move, so you needed a little bit of a retracement, but it doesn't mean that it can go up. And I know that I'm doing this a little bit faster than usual. It is 8:09. I'm going to be finishing the video at 8:30, guys. I'm not going to go over 8:30 today. I want to finish on time because I am working in a lot of stuff. And by the way, guys, my music is coming out pretty soon. I'm just trying to get the distribution. I'm asking myself, will it be DistroKid? Will it be TuneCore? I don't know, guys. I've been asking myself for a long time, which one should I use? I know that both of them are good, but I just want to take out my music out pretty soon, and maybe a music video coming up soon. Right, JBC? And guys, TRCH can definitely go back down a little bit, but at the same time, I still see the $6.74 as a target, which is looking very good, like 160% from yesterday's close, but from today's price is at 242s. I wouldn't mind seeing this go down a little bit more. As I said, maybe $2 will be an interesting position. And then let's do ITRM. ITRM. We're gonna do Okugen. I have it in the list, my friend. Don't worry. RCMT or CRMT? IRTM still on the trend line, guys. 295 over here, as you can see. 295, the weekly. Still bullish, looking good. Hey, 273 to 295. Nicely done. And as you already know, guys, I would love to see some resistance being created, right? After the resistance, we gotta wait for that little pullback that can happen. I think it can happen pretty soon. Right now, it's performing very nicely at 295. If it gets to break the resistance, going back down just to get a liquidity push will be awesome. Okay, even to go to $6 and even $12. Great potential for ITRM. Very nice. Look at that opportunity. And I do want to do the Phoebe, but not for now until it breaks the trend line. Once the trend line gets broken, we can do the Fibonacci. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Thank you, Randy. And then over here, guys, NSPR. I'm sorry, I asked you, who are you? What is your name? This is the David Show. It's not the Green Tom Show. It is my favorite show because it is my show. DEIVED, my name is David. That's all you need to know. But David, I don't know your background. I don't know anything about you. How are you doing analysis? You don't have any background, David. Man, oh man, I have to do a video about my background, I guess. They don't call me a computer scientist for nothing, man. But anyways, NSPR, let's do over here. NSPR, let's see what we got. $1.26. Let's look at the 4-hour. Man, 126, very, very nice. I'm liking this. Looking good. 126. Let's see where it can go to the daily. In the daily, let's look at the daily. Ooh, papo. This can go to 160s. Okay. Support and resistance. Let's start with support and resistance on the monthly. I think kind of makes sense right now. But let me see the price over here. Wow, but this range is insane, bro. What is this? No, I don't like this. I don't usually like companies when they do this. You know, look at this. This is insane, bro. What the heck? You crazy, bro? Look at this. Nah. I don't love this right now. But I can do the analysis. A lot of gaps. Man, a lot of gaps, let me tell you. Wow. NSPR over here. This is too crazy, man. I'm not loving this one, but I'm gonna review it. But the thing is, over here, seems like if we break wherever we are, the resistance of 164, it can even go to 260. Okay, nice. So let's keep it there for now. Different targets for now. 490s kind of makes sense. 1080s. Let's see over here, guys. Wow, this is too crazy, man. Peter, I don't know about this one, but you know what? It's starting to look good in the shorter time frame, as you can see, 126. There's potential for more upside, as you already know. Just keep an eye on it, man. If there's any retracement, maybe you can capitalize on this, going up to even 260. That would be awesome, right? Going back down a little bit. From where it's at is 105% to go to 260. $1.64 is 30% increase.
Roar.
Let's do OCGN. 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 OCG. Enoch Lion, the thing is that those coins that you're talking about, they don't have it on Coinbase. And I don't do any other, I do crypto, but I focus so much on Bitcoin and Ethereum. ADA, it can go up, but it's just that dude, there's so many opportunities, I can't get them all. Okay, that's the thing. I know that ADA is looking good. Can you share with us where the heck you can buy ADA? You're going to be like Binance or something like that, right? Let's see. For Okugen, we did go down to 10.25. It created a higher high at $18.84. Okugen for me seems like it can't even go as low as $6.47 or at least $8.60. What I'm going to be waiting for, this is a break of a trend line in the future. So let's be patient about it for Okugen. CLOV, a lot of people asking about CLOV. You know that company from Chamat? And let's see, guys, $12.28. Pretty bearish to me, man. Pretty bearish to me. The monthly created a good rejection. It's not a bad price point, by the way. $12 is not bad for CLOV. Some people are looking for re-entries on this one, so this could be an opportunity. I'm going to keep an eye on it. The reason why, let's see over here. Yeah, I'm just going to keep an eye on it. It's holding to this trend line. No confirmations for me just yet. I want to see better candles. I'm going to be very honest. Maybe over here, breaking this trend line, breaking the resistance. Could be a great opportunity. So let's keep an eye on this one, guys. No confirmations for me just yet. If it gets to break the resistance, we can go up to 16 or even 17. That's a 27% upside. I do see 19 and 20 and 21s, but we gotta be patient about it. I see a bullish flag, maybe even a squeeze. Yes, it's kind of looking like a bullish flag if you look at it. That's why I'm waiting for this trend line to be broken, you know. And then after that, we can see that if it gets to break the bullish flag, right? Break, last kiss, confirmations, and let's go. That's what we're looking for. Okay? John Dickhouse, welcome to the channel. Hopefully you're hanging with Fat Nuts. Let's see over here, guys. RCMT. Is that the one? Yes, RCMT. Question, doesn't AC have a pod company? I don't know, maybe. TRCH, merging with MAATF, Meta Materials. TRCH. MMATF. Let's see, MMEX. Oil gas solar like TRCH. MMEX. Okay. And then that's going to be it. No more. I'm going to do Ideanomics after. I'm going to do Nndm. No, SENS because we already did Nndm. RCMT. Welcome, John. RCMT. Wow, interesting. What I'm liking from this one, Rostam, is that it's on a very important support area. Let's go ahead and add some resistance levels. Very nice. Very nice find, Rostam. Wow, from $3.69 already to $10.40. Already making moves pre-market, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and add a trend line over here, a major trend line. This is going to be very important for our perspective. Let's keep it there. Boom. I like the double bottom that it's creating. I'm going to go ahead and add a minor trend line over here. And we already broke it. What I want to see from RCMT will be a pullback. Because we already are up. Maybe some pullback will be an awesome opportunity. Maybe going back down to 960s or 840s makes sense to me. But from where we are right now, which is 1029, we can still go higher to 30, which is 192%, and even $35, which is 244%. Let's do TRCH. Yes, we did AQMS. We did it. We did it. That was the first one. No, actually, the second one for the user requests. Tam, you weren't here, huh? Man, oh man. And you're always asking about it, bro. And you missed it? Oh, man, Tam. Don't make me talk about it 2 times, bro. I'm watching you. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. We can review it once again, but dude, it's 820 and I can't go through 830, okay? TRCH, as we said, it can go up to 674. Let me do MMATF. Metamaterial. So metamaterial over here seems like we're creating higher highs at 224. There's not a lot of information for me to do some technicals for this, but I'll do what I can. 209 is the current price. This is an OTC. Definitely something to keep an eye on. And I'm keeping an eye on this. Keeping an eye on this, man. 148 will be awesome. 102 will be amazing. But no confirmations. I can't do too much with this. Let me do a Fibonacci and see. Nah, it doesn't work. I'm gonna leave it like that for MMATF. MMEX. Thank you for doing technicals on AQN. Thank you for being here, bro. Thank you for being here. MATF is TRCH. They bought to March. Nice. Well, there you go. MMEX is a 0.02, another OTC. Not a lot of information either. The only thing that I can do, honestly, is this Fibonacci and see where we can go. Where can we go, my lovely? Where can you go? I wanna know, my lovely. Where can you go? I wanna know, guys. Let's see over here for 2 cents. We can. Wow, it's already going up. I don't know, man. This can go to 3 cents. That's a 64% move. And then after that, we can even see 0.379. We saw 83% move. Too many penny stocks. Let me do Ideonomics over here, guys. Ideonomics, ladies and gentlemen, from $4.96. We are already at $5. Keeping an eye on this, guys. The weekly still has potential for closing bullish. 2 more days, guys. 2 more days. I'm expecting a little bit of retracement in the market, but at the same time, I'm expecting close of a bullish candle for the weekly. Weekly needs to be bullish for the things that we're bullish. And if that happens, we're going to kick some booty until at least the next quarter or the third quarter. Who knows? There's going to be some drop soon, but for now, it seems like the economy is working. It's working. $10.55 is still my target for Ideonomics. And then SENS, which will be the last one. Thank you, Eddie D. Thank you for the love, my friend. You know that we do the videos con mucho, mucho amor. Thank you, Eddie. Tú eres de Puerto Rico, right, my friend? Shout out to the Puerto Ricans over here, man. I'm loving that Puerto Rico is getting more involved in the investment era because, guys, Puerto Ricans have been screwed for quite a while, man. For quite a while, and I think this is the time for the people to capitalize on the opportunities as we have done for quite a while. SENS over here. From $3.82 to $3.91. Not bad at all. I think we can definitely go higher to 520s, 550s. I'm liking this, guys. I'm really liking SENS. Great potential for growth. I'm expecting, as you already know, $5 pretty soon, which is a 25% movement. And that is it for today. 40 viewers, 44 motherfucking likes. Ladies and gentlemen, loving it. Thank you for the support. I want to say to all of you that you are making me very, very proud. The way that you communicate, even in the chat room, the way that you're expecting for me to review. David, double bottoms. I see this potential price point. I see that there's going to be an offering. I see a double bottom, a break of a trend line. All of this information, very valuable for me to review your favorite symbols, which I appreciate. And I appreciate the full dedication and support. El apoyo es muy grande, guys, and I'm gonna support you on your trading journey. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask. The community is here. If you're not a member, I highly suggest becoming a member so you are able to do some in the chat room. Maybe a little bit of coins to celebrate when you're making profits.
Bruh.
Don't forget youtube.com/DEIVED. Check out that Amazon gift card giveaway video.
Oh, yeah!
We're going to be coming out with that pretty soon. Rob Ert, welcome, my friends. Good to see you once again. And, guys, that is it. Great show. Great vibes. Keep on kicking booty. Hacemos los videos. We do the videos con mucho amor. Like Walter Mercado used to say. And as always, have a beautiful morning.
Monster kill.
Boom shakalaka!